Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel PanosTechWorld. Today I will show you how to properly stop your laptop from overheating, reduce temperature back to normal and reduce fan noise. For this purpose I have here a motherboard from a Toshiba L755 laptop. But first you will need some tools and materials to do these maintenance. So you will need a screwdriver, a toothbrush for cleaning laptop fan or for better protection from electrostatic discharge, an anti-static cleaning brush. Cotton swabs and a coffee filter for cleaning CPU and GPU thermal paste and fan. Isopropyl alcohol for cleaning CPU and GPU thermal paste, but for the best results I recommend Arctic Clean thermal material remover and thermal surface purifier from Arctic Silver Company. Of course, you will need the thermal paste. My recommendation is the ceramic 2 from Arctic Silver because it is a pure electrical insulator, neither electrical conductive nor capacitive. This is the best solution if you are not experienced with this process. Also, we need a plastic card, such as credit card, for apply thermal paste on CPU and GPU. Finally, it is important to use an anti-static wrist wrap during this process, like this. So, first of all, you must unplug a fan power cable and then remove the cooling system. So, let's clean cooling system from dust and thermal paste. First of all, you can blow air with your mouth on the fan, and the heat exchanger, or you can use an air duster like this, or a blower device like this. Secondly, clean your fan with a cotton swab. If you have isopropyl alcohol, put some drops on the cotton swab for better cleaning. I think it's fine. Now, let's clean the thermal paste from cooling system. You will need isopropyl alcohol or Arctic Clean thermal material remover and of course a coffee filter or a cotton swab. This is the Arctic Clean thermal material remover. Just put some drops on the heat sinks and wait a few seconds for thermal material to dissolve, and then you must wipe the thermal paste with a coffee filter or a cloth. Let's put some drops. This is a coffee filter. Okay, let's do this. Let's use a cotton swab. Let's use, let's put a few drops again. In this video I use Arctic Clean from Arctic Silver Company, but of course you can use isopropyl alcohol too. Well, the cooling system is clean and now you must clean the thermal paste from the GPU and CPU. This is the CPU and this is the GPU. You must use the same process. So let's put a few drops again. Let's clean the GPU. You must remove all the thermal paste from the CPU and GPU. Now you must put Arctic Clean 2. This is the Arctic Clean 2. It is a thermal surface purifier. This is a liquid to prepare a surface from thermal interface material. In this video, the ceramic 2 is the thermal interface material. Let's put some drops from this. You must wipe it gently with a lint-free coffee filter or a cloth until dry. You can use a coffee filter because a coffee filter is an excellent inexpensive lint-free cloth. You must use a lint-free cloth or a coffee filter because you must keep CPU and GPU surfaces free from foreign materials. When you are done with this process, do not touch CPU and GPU surfaces. A hair, a piece of lint, and even dead skin cells can significantly affect the thermal interface's performance. Let's do the same on heatsink surfaces. Remember, you need a lint-free cloth or a coffee filter. Let's use again the Arctic Clean too. Okay, I think it's okay now. Now, you are ready for applying new thermal paste on CPU and GPU. Just put an amount of uncooked grain of white rice on each CPU and GPU surfaces. Now you can spread the thermal paste over the CPU and GPU surfaces, but if you can, if you want, you can just put the cooling system back. Okay, let's put the cooling system back. So that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me anything. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.